Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to provide some quick technique tips for anyone that might have access to a barbell because it's a little bit different than using your dumbbells when doing things like cleans and snatches, all right? So follow along. First things first, whatever movement you're doing with the barbell, we always want to have the hook grip. What is the hook grip? That means your thumb comes first and then your index and middle finger come wrapping on top to create a suction seal. Why do we do this? It's going to make it less of a grip issue whenever we are cycling the barbell, right? So when I'm doing cleans, for example, a hang power clean, up like that, I'm going to physically start in my hook grip, and when I get it up to my shoulders, I physically release my thumbs. So on the way down, I'm gonna catch it, thumbs, fingers, catch, hip, knee, hip jump, and release that hook grip. So imagine I'm doing a workout that has bent over rows, hang power cleans, rowing machine, whatever it might be. Your grip is gonna get pretty jacked up, right? So the hook grip gives you a little bit of an extra suction seal to make it less about that, all right? So that's thing number one. It's gonna be a little bit uncomfortable. I would say just keep practicing it, and then after about 4 weeks, it will become habitual. You'll hook grip your dog leash, you'll hook up your groceries, all of that good stuff, all right? That's thing number one. Thing number two, the front rack position for all of our front squats. So, resting the dumbbell on your shoulders, you can kind of just let it sit there, right? But for our barbell, we want to get this nice high elbow position right here. If it feels like you're choking yourself, that means you're doing it right. All right, so I have a super loose grip here. Notice I'm only holding onto it with my index and my middle finger, and it's literally right up against my throat. And then from here, this is going to allow me to do all of my squats, keeping my elbows nice and high, and it's also gonna keep my midline engaged, just like that. So if you're someone that is a little bit difficult in this position, we can do some elbow reaches. So up like that to loosen up the lats. I'd recommend doing about 10 to 20 of these before starting any of your sets on any given day, whether we're doing front squats or cleans. All right?